Forged from high-grade aluminum, the Orion Motor Tech bearing race and seal bushing driver kit offers a variety of collars for use with most wheel bearing applications, both foreign as well as domestic. With a total of 9 sizes in all, the discs, in conjunction with the handle, make seating bearings a breeze. The kit comes in a custom molded case available in either red or black. Notice the knurling here on the handle, offering an easy grip, something you want when you're trying to hold tools steady. In this front rotor assembly off of a 2002 Chevy pickup 1500 series, I'm installing a new bearing. Watch how effortlessly this kit makes the job. Once you've found the appropriate disc size for the job, the first step is to set the bearing in place, being careful it's laying even and uniform. Next up, install the handle and set screw. There's no need to tighten this down like a lug nut. Firmly get the bolt finger tight, then just add a quarter turn with a wrench to hold it in place. Then gently place the tool over the bearing, making sure to keep everything in alignment. You don't want to knock the bearing out of its seat. Lastly, a few firm smacks with the hammer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And done. Look at that fit. Perfect. Whether you're a professional mechanic like myself or just a weekend warrior in the garage, the bearing race and seal bushing driver kit from Orion Motor Tech will make quick work of all your bearing and bushing jobs.